Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. So today I'll be teaching you on how to find referral code on Temu. So first is you have to open your Temu application and make sure you have logged into your account. Now click on the Y button at the bottom center of your screen. And then you'd be able to see the section right here and then click on the earn credits and free gifts. So just click on it. Okay, and then from there, you'll be able to earn credits and free gifts. So just go with this one right here, redeem cash. So just click on get now. And then once you've done that, you'd be able to see this page. Now just click on start. Okay. Then after that, just click on the refer new app users. Now right here, you will then just have to click on copy link and then send this link to your friends using the different social media platforms. And once you've done that, you'd be able to paste and send your link to your friend or followers, and then refer your friends or followers to click your link and accept your invitation in Timo, and then get your reward. Okay, so just click on the refer new app users and then just have to send it to your friends. And once your friends accept the invitation, of course, you will get the reward from Timo. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.